Alright everyone, warmly welcome. The name still remains JK Cyber, and today's video I'm gonna show you how you can install Google Chrome on your Kali Linux virtual machine. So once you search for Google Chrome, you won't find it over here. So what you have to do here is to just open your Firefox browser, which is the default browser by default. Okay, and here what you have to do is just search for Chrome. Okay, just search for Chrome and click on the first link, which is Google Chrome browser. Once you click on the first link, they will ask you to download Google Chrome. Now you see, just click on download, and here you choose the first option, then you click on accept and install. In our case, I've already installed the file, but let me just show you. Once you click on accept and install, it will start downloading. So in my case, since I have it, I don't need to download it again. Okay, so let me just stop it. Okay, I already have my download file here, which is this one. So the next phase is about we using the command prompt to what, do everything that we need. Now open your terminal, and once you come here, once you come here, you see we are not in our root this thing, so you need to type this command prompt, which is sudo su. Okay, then you click on enter. Here they will ask you. Now you see we are in our hot root this thing here, and what we have to do, or what we have to type next, is to type on apt. Okay, apt update. All right, and then you click on enter. And in this particular case, what now it has showed that we have 7 packages to be upgraded. What we have to do is to locate the location of our file, which is cd. Okay, cd downloads. Okay, cd downloads. Then you click on enter, and once we have it here, just click on ls to list everything. And once we have it here, so you see we have Google Chrome stable current this thing here. So in our case, okay, what you need to do is to change the permission mode by clicking on chmod. Okay, chmod plus, as you can see it here, x, then Google Chrome. So you can also tap on this thing if you have already tapped it before, but you are new, you need to type everything. You can also copy this particular name here. That is what I'm currently typing. Okay, so in my case, I will just click on the tab key and click on enter. And in my case, now that I have, just click on ls to list everything again. And here, let me just clear everything so that we can proceed with the final part of it all. So with the final part of it all, now that we have everything set, what we are gonna do is to just type dpkg. Okay, dpkg hyphen, all right, hyphen I stand for install. Then you add the name, the file name, which is Google Chrome, and here I have to add the final version. Then you click on enter, and here you just need to wait that this thing will install it for you as soon as possible. So we are currently waiting for the final message. Now you can see everything is what's processed. Now that we have it here for verification purpose, let's just go and search for Chrome here on our search bar. Now you see we have Google Chrome, and you can also open it and make it your default browser if you want, but I like Firefox to be my default browser. The first video I did was about how to also uninstall. You will see it below this particular video. So the name still remains JK Cyber, and if you find this video informative, kindly give us the subscribe button and don't forget to share. Bye bye.